Is your engine feeling a bit sluggish lately, like it just does not have the same pep it used to? Or maybe you have noticed you are burning way more gas than normal. You plug in your scanner and up pops the code P002D. This code translates to B Camshaft Profile Control Circuit Open Bank 2. I know that sounds like a mouthful of engineering speak, but let us break it down into something that actually makes sense. Your engine uses a camshaft to open and close the valves that let air in and exhaust out. Modern engines are incredibly smart. They can actually change the profile of the camshaft lobes while you are driving. Imagine if you could change the shape of your shoes instantly to switch from sprinting to hiking. That's basically what your car is doing to get the best power and fuel efficiency possible. This code tells us there is an electrical open circuit in the system controlling this feature on bank 2. Now, bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1, and usually the letter B refers to the exhaust side, but you'll want to double check your specific repair manual to be sure. This is a medium severity issue. While your car might still drive, you're losing out on performance and you're definitely putting extra stress on internal components. One of the most common reasons this happens is actually something very simple: oil maintenance. These systems rely heavily on oil pressure to work. If you've been skipping oil changes, sludge can build up and block the tiny passages or the solenoid screens. Even using the wrong viscosity of oil, like putting in 5W30 when the manual calls for 0W20, can trigger this because the hydraulic pressure will be wrong. Aside from dirty oil, you could be looking at a failed solenoid or broken wire in the harness. Since engines vibrate a lot, wires can rub through or connectors can snap loose over time. So if you're diving under the hood to fix this, start by checking your oil level and cleanliness. If the oil looks like tar, flush it and change the filter immediately. Then find the solenoid on bank 2 and inspect the wiring closely. Give the connector a gentle tug to make sure it's clicked in tight. Sometimes a little bit of electrical contact cleaner and a fresh oil change is all it takes to get your engine purring perfectly again.